try to focus on the message and the lessons to be learned. The details are not that important. And that is why when you see this story of Satan concerning his refusal to bow before Adam, it's repeated in a number of places in the Quran. But each time it is repeated, another element is added. And this is something which sometimes when we read, you may not be conscious of it. You read a story about Moses and Pharaoh, it's mentioned in so many different places. It's not like, say, the Bible, Moses and Pharaoh is in one chapter. That's it. Moses' chapters. And then you go on to somebody else. No. What you find is that the story of Moses and Pharaoh is in the first chapter, goes almost to the last chapter of the Quran. Repeated at different points, in different ways, different elements. So the story doesn't go into the detail you will find, for example, in the Bible concerning Moses, his life in Egypt, crossing the Red Sea and all these other things. The details that you find, they have huge amounts of detail, but the message, the lessons are lost in the details. Whereas you find when you look at the stories in the Quran that they're cut down to the basic elements. What is important for you to know in order for you to be able to grasp that message? Unnecessary details are left out. But the message comes through loud and clear.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.